Hey guys, it's me, iiVoltageWolf. Welcome back to another video. Here is my tips on how you can make your story and other literature get absolutely knocked out of the park, alright? First thing is have an original concept in mind. I mean, it's okay to follow a certain trend or something like that. Just make sure you put your own twist into it and have your own originality, and that's where all the creativity pops in. If you have enough creativity, then you're gonna come up with something that's almighty original. Tip number 2. Use vivid language. Vividness counts if you want to knock your story out of the park. Adding vivid language and descriptiveness adds to the better experience. It boosts the experience and gives the reader more depth. And that's basically how you can gain a lot of retention from writing. By using descriptiveness, having everything planned out. 3. If you're looking for a short story, try going for at least 3 paragraphs, I should say. 3 paragraphs for the story, or maybe even 4. Also, keep in mind, you must keep cliches as few as possible. I don't know how to word it. But keep the cliches low on count. Because if you have too many cliches, then the reader would begin to see a pattern. Like the blood cliche in creepypastas. And the whole some douchebag bought a bootleg thing or a cursed thing off the market cliche. Stuff like that. That kills the story. Cliches, keep them low. Have everything planned out. Have at least, if it's a short story, have it be like 3 to 4 paragraphs. Have some descriptiveness, have it vividness. And one of these days, your story would just get knocked absolutely out of the park. So those are my tips. Just 3 little tips. Descriptiveness, planning, very few cliches, which I believe is like 2.5, and a good experience for the reader. That's pretty much the video. Those are my tips on how I managed to get a story, one of my literature works, knocked absolutely out of the park. I hope you've been informed and had the correct advice for a story. And if you want to see more content like this in the future, like gaming, vlogs, and furry related content, consider hitting that like button and subscribing to this channel. Don't want to miss anything? Consider hitting that notification bell to get notified of all new content heading your way. And this has been iiVoltageWolf, and I'll see you all in the next session. Goodbye, pack mates.